I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot, cause I'm
Can
bulletproof.
you play that again?
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. That's when it pips to the honey. Drip, 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 we sliding. Dip, 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 dip.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Jazmine Iyana and I'm back with another video, and today we are going to be discussing this hair that is currently in its natural state. This video is not sponsored by any means, but I do hope to one day be sponsored, okay? But we're going to discuss this hair. This is 4 bundles, a 10, 14, a 10, 12, 14, 16 inch bundle. Okay, I'm gonna insert a picture right here so you can see how full the bundles came. And really it's not even a full 4 bundles, because this is what I had left from the 10 inch, and as you can see, the bundles are pretty full, and she literally used half of this. Even though it's inside of my head, the same way this feels in my hand is the same way that it feels in my head. Bundles are so soft, they came so full. As you can see, it is very, very thick. No thin bundles, true to length, no shedding, no smells, none of that. So this is a traditional sew-in. I have leave out here. Then I'm gonna plug up my Conair curling iron. I think this is a 1/2 inch barrel, if I'm not mistaken. I think it is. It could be, could not, it might not be. Who knows? This hair is really full. And I'm gonna take my little black clip here. I'm just gonna use it to clip my hair, because my hair is cut into layers. All right, and I am gonna spray some heat protectant. It's really not that much, but it gets the job done. Okay, so while I wait on my curling irons to heat up, I want to tell you what came in my package. In this cute bag, okay? Came in this cute bag. It came with a wig cap. It came with a melting band. It also came with lashes. I put those lashes in my makeup kit because I do makeup, so it came with lashes. And then it also came with this brush. I'm not sure what I would use this for, but it came with that or whatever. So I'm gonna curl my hair off camera and gonna come back. Okay y'all, so I just finished curling my hair. It took a while. Okay, I use this Got to Be Glue spray to pretty much hold my curls in place so they'll be less likely to fall so easily. But I done curled my hair today, and I'm probably not gonna have to curl my hair no more this week, because this hair holds a curl so good. Okay, and when I say so good, I mean like this hair holds a damn good curl. Okay, so now I'm just taking out all the bobby pins that's in my hair. You can find it at your local beauty supply store, but I'm gonna take mine and I'm just going to comb my hair back. And as you can see, I got a little piece right here sticking up. But this how I'm finna fix it, cause I don't know why it's doing it. But we just gonna take it and we just gonna curl it like this. That way it can fall like the rest of it. All right. But and I'm just combing them back the same way that I curled them is the same way that I'm combing them back. Now that I got it like that, I'm gonna do it like this. Make sure the top of my hair is looking how I need it to look. And it look like I just got a fresh sew in, okay? But I'll definitely use some Got2b to lay my edges down or whatever. But this hair is very affordable. And if you want to be a baddie on the budget, go purchase this hair, okay? Because y'all see that? And I got this done 2 weeks ago, I want to say. Yeah, I got this done 2 weeks ago. And the hair is still good. I washed it today, blow dried it, and curled it. And this is what it's giving. And it's giving everything that it needs to give. I'm gonna add some a little bit of my Mayel drops right there in that part, just to push that into my scalp, because she's giving dry. But I do hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you turn that bell notification on so you'll be notified every time I post a new upload. And again, the description and the link to this hair will be listed and linked down below, as well as the person that did my hair. So if you're based in the Atlanta, Georgia area, make sure y'all go book Hairvolution, because she did her big one with this, okay? I also dyed this hair jet black, and it took the color very well, so I'm not even mad at it either. But until next time, bye.